we are going to discuss about chapter How do organisms reproduce, and the topic is difference between asexual and sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction and second is sexual reproduction. The basic difference between the two is, number one difference is that in asexual reproduction only one parent is involved. One parent cell or organism, only one organism is involved in asexual reproduction. But in case of sexual reproduction, two parent cells are involved or two organisms are involved. Okay, the basic difference between asexual and sexual reproduction is that in case of asexual reproduction, only one parent cell is involved, but in case of sexual reproduction, two organisms or two parent cells are involved. Okay. Now, the second point of difference is in case of asexual reproduction, no formation of gametes takes place. In asexual reproduction, no formation of gametes occur or takes place. But in case of sexual reproduction, formation of gametes occurs during sexual reproduction. Okay. Third point of difference between asexual and sexual reproduction is, if no gametes are formed in asexual reproduction, so there will be no fusion also. So third difference is no fusion of male and female gametes takes place in case of asexual reproduction, but in case of sexual reproduction, fusion of male and female gametes takes place. Then during fertilization, at the time of fertilization, male and female gamete fuse in sexual reproduction. Okay, this is the third point of difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Now, the fourth difference between these two is it is a fast process. But in case of sexual reproduction, it is a slow process. These were the 4 points of differences between A and sexual reproduction. Now, fifth point of difference that we can write is, in case of asexual reproduction, offsprings are genetically similar to the parents. Offsprings, they are genetically similar. Genetically similar to the parents. But in case of sexual reproduction, offsprings differ genetically from the parents. Fine. So these were total 5 differences between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. And students, one thing that I noted during checking of the papers was, you are writing the differences correctly, but you are writing their names in on opposite sides. For example, if you are writing difference of asexual reproduction, you are writing here sexual and not asexual. Okay, so please write carefully and do your exam very carefully. Whenever you are doing it, that you should see that you have written name and their point of differences on the same side, not on opposite side. Otherwise, you will get 0 marks. Fine. So these were the differences of asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Tomorrow we will start with the topic asexual reproduction, topic number 1, that is fission. Okay, thank you.